Konnex Airdrop is live, and this very project just raised $15 million from investors, and these investors are LD Capitals and Leland Ventures. Now, what is this Konnex Airdrop that most people don't want to share with you? Now, Konnex is a Web3 decentralized marketplace focused on robot intelligence and automated physical work. Now, it aims to build an open market where robots can find jobs on their own, negotiate contracts, hire AI service, execute tasks, verify results on-chain, and get paid in stable coins. Now, to make this more simple for you, I'm going to explain it this way. Imagine an Uber driver who lists the tasks he carries out on the platform, right? Making people that need that very service to request for it, and when they request for it, he goes out, drives them to their location, and collects his pay. So this is basically what Konnex is about, but this time around is going to be AI listing on these very platforms and carrying out the tasks, although humans are going to still be the one in charge, right? You're going to have the opportunity to list an AI or a robot on the platform, and when a task shows up, the robot would automatically take up the task without even needing your permission, and when they complete the task, they submit their project to a human validator who then confirms the task has been completed and they get paid. Now, once they get paid, you can go ahead and either upgrade the system or keep the profit. So this is basically what Konnex Airdrop is all about, and in this very video I'm going to be showing you how to join this very airdrop, how to connect your wallet, the best wallet to connect, and the likes, right? You're going to be learning all this, and we're going to be as quick as possible. So how do you join this very airdrop? It's really simple, right? Now, in order not to experience any issue or whatsoever, simply open up your MetaMask wallet right now. And once your MetaMask wallet is opened up, you want to come over to the browser section, right? Because you're meant to connect an EVM wallet. Note, you're connecting an EVM wallet, and this is why we're using MetaMask wallet. So you have to come over to the Explore section. So once you click on Explore right now, you have to come over to this very place that says search token sites or URL, right? Click on this right now, and then you're going to see a link in the description of this very video. That's my Konnex Airdrop invite link, and I would appreciate it if you use that very link. Let's say use it as a compensation for creating this very video for you, but if you don't want to use that, that's totally okay, right? So just come over here and paste that very link and click on this very little search icon right here, or you click this, right? Just click this. So this is going to lead you to the Konnex Airdrop page, and this very airdrop is optimized for mobile, and it's a $0 airdrop, right? So for using an invite link, you get 50 points, right? So that's one of the importance of using an invite link. So you can see, welcome to Konnex, let's get you started. You earn your first point for using a referral link. Now, referral rewards are for new users only. They will be reflected in your balance once you connect your Twitter account and you connect your wallet. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on connect wallet right here. You can see it says connect with Ethereum, so we're going to click on connect with Ethereum right now. You can see this is MetaMask. We're already in the MetaMask right now, so this makes it easy. So click on connect MetaMask, and you can see right here we are going to be connecting with account 1. So I'm going to click on connect right now. Make sure the passphrase for your MetaMask is saved, right? So yes, this is currently loading up right now. So the next thing you're meant to do is to say click to sign, right? So we're going to click this to sign. So the next page says that we should sign in request. So you can see this is the network. The network is the core blockchain network, and the request is coming from hub.konnex world. We're signing in with account 1, right? So we're going to be clicking on confirm. So you can see we have just successfully connected our Ethereum wallet to this. You can see this is our profile up here, right? So this is what you do. Now the next thing you can do is to complete tasks, right? And some of those tasks are you connect your X account, right? Your Twitter account. You can create one if you don't have one right now, and then you can see right here there are other tasks you can complete, which are community tasks, and some of those tasks are you follow them on X, you join their Discord, you join Telegram, right? And then there's a testnet task, which is you train robots, which is very easy task, right? You train robot daily and you earn about 50 points, right? So you have the social tax also. Whenever you post about Konnex, you get points for this, right? So then we have the weekly check-in, which is limited to 1 time per week. So it's just a weekly check-in. You do this and you earn the points. And you also need to know that this point updates in 48 minutes. You refer friends daily, right? So once you refer friends, you carry out all these tasks. You post about Konnex daily. You would also get to see the points reflect in 48 minutes, right? This is really fast, one of the fastest out there, guys. You need to log in on this very airdrop, because this very airdrop has raised a good amount of funds for this, and they have a bright future. They are planning on something big, right? If you notice right now, AI is the trending thing, and you have to lock in on AI projects. Very important. AI project is not something you should fade. Do not think of feeding an AI project like Konnex Airdrop. Take notes. So this is it, and we have the collaborations. You can come over here and check this out. I don't really know in details what this is about, but collaboration is basically about working together, right? So it's kind of a badge that's given through collaboration and special giveaways. So from what I'm seeing here, holders of the badge will have their airdrop allocation increase. So we're going to talk about that maybe in my consequence videos, so you get to know more about that. So this is the leaderboard, right? These are people who are currently ranking, and you can see the point system. You can see the highest here just have about 3,630 points, meaning that the point system is not that much, meaning the airdrop is definitely not going to have a large quantity or a large supply. So this is to tell you that this very airdrop is a legit one. So you can just scroll down and look up people comments and check up the site and everything you need to know about this very airdrop. We're going to connect our Twitter right now, and we're going to do this real quick. So I'm going to click on Connect X right now, and this is going to, I'm hoping this leads me to my X, right? So you're going to have to enter your X password and connect your X account right here. So let's do that real quick. So we are now in our X. This is currently loading up right now. You can see Snag Loyalty wants to access your X account. We can now go ahead and click on this, which is authorize app. So you have to authorize, and this will be connected. You can disconnect at any time, but this is basically how you do this, right? You do not need to disconnect it. So you can see my point balance right here is now 60, right? So there's an increase, and then you can see it says required action, complete mandate request to unlock required test. So it says great job, 10 Konnex has been added to your balance. So the point reward system is really low, right? So that's to tell you that this very airdrop has something going on, right? So you can go ahead and follow them on their X. Their X has over 217k followers. If I click on go to account right now, you can see this is their X account right here, and they have over 270k followers. So this is to tell you that this project is alive, and the last time they posted was about 4 days ago, which they talked about the machine economy. So you can see right now we can now go ahead and follow them on their official Twitter page. And let me also clarify something. If you post about this very project, you would earn points. Now, how do you really post about this very project? You have to go to Twitter, right? If you create a post on Twitter and you use this very at symbol right here, which says at Konnex word, right? You always add that very at Konnex word to your post, you would actually get points for this, right? You have connected your Twitter account to this very platform, so whatever you do, they are going to be able to spot it, right? And you get points for that. You're going to get about 15 Konnex daily for the post you make. I would also advise you retweet the tweets, engage with their tweets, and stuff like that. So this is the airdrop I have decided to bring to your notice today. I'm just going to go ahead and claim my points right here, so you can see for yourself. I'm going to claim 20 points right now, and it's going to add up right here, right? So let's wait for that. So you can see great job, and the points has added up. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not fake this very airdrop. Link is in the description. Hop in right now. This is something that's going to be great. Log in on this and let's see how this goes. But airdrops is mostly speculative. Do not put all your hope in these. Just keep your expectations low so that the letdowns won't hit you hard. That is if there's any, but I believe in this very project, and I believe that they will turn out to be something great. So let's just give this a try this year, and let's see how it goes. So this is it for this video. Make sure you like, share, and comment if you have any question. More updates will be released for this very airdrop, but until then, take care and goodbye.